I'm taking this $5 Dollar Tree lantern into a higher level of decor. Let me show you what I mean. First, let me show you quickly all the fall florals and picks from Dollar Tree that I'll be using. And these pumpkin picks are my favorite. First things first, I'm going to remove this floral decor that this lantern has already. And I'm also going to remove the ring up at the top, and since it's plastic, I'm just going to cut it right off. This piece of plastic is going to work really well in just a bit. Let me show you. I'm going to add some hot glue at the top, and then I'm going to insert a foam over it. So what I do with my florals and picks, I cut off each branch like I'm showing you right there. This will give me more flexibility as to where I want to place them when I start arranging my florals together. And now I'm going to start to arrange all my florals and picks on the foam. And now I have this stunning fall lantern. Let me show you how I use a splatter screen from Dollar Tree to create a beautiful fall home decor. I'm also going to be using this burlap from Dollar Tree. I'm going to create a pocket, so I'm just going to cut a piece from this. So I'm just going to go about halfway down the screen with the fabric, and then I'm going to hot glue all around the edge. And then I'm going to cut the extra fabric. And now I have my pocket. I'm going to cover the splatter handle with some nautical rope. I'm going to use all these fall florals from Dollar Tree to fill my pocket. And lastly, I'm going to add a bow up at the top where the handle's at. Let me show you a brilliant Halloween DIY using some hangers. For this project, I'm going to need 4 clothes hangers, and I'm going to cut the long bar as I'm showing you right there. I'm going to do the same thing to these other 3 hangers. Now that I have my 4 pieces, I'm going to join them together at the top using some hot glue. I'm going to use the ring just to stabilize the bottom. And now I'm going to cut the top part of the hanger on both sides. I cut 4 pieces. I'm going to hot glue those pieces down at the bottom. This is going to serve as a base for my structure. I'm going to start with some yellow mesh, and I'm going to wrap it around the bottom part. And then I moved on with the orange in the middle and then some white at the top. And then I added some twinkling lights, and now I have this adorable candy corn. Let me show you how easy it is to create a Jacko Lantern using this Dollar Tree glass jar. I'll be using this wallpaper from Dollar Tree to create the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. I used my Cricut to cut these out, but you can draw them out and use some scissors to cut them out. Since this wallpaper is just a peel and stick, it'll be really easy to apply the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. From this package of pumpkin picks, I'm going to use just 1 pumpkin. Since I don't need the stem, I'm going to break it off. I'm going to apply some hot glue to the bottom of the pumpkin and then place it on the lid. Lastly, I'm going to add some ribbon around the lid. I'm going to use this to hold my stevia packets. And of course, you can also use it as a candy jar. Let me show you some fall DIYs with absolutely no skills needed. Use a black charger, a white plate, a black and white cloth napkin, use some twine and tie a bow in the center of the napkin, and then clip on one of these pumpkins from Dollar Tree. Here's another color scheme using these sweater white pumpkins. Use this beautiful Dollar Tree charger, and this is a new one and it has all these fall prints on them. Add a plate in the color burnt orange. Add a dark blue cloth napkin, also tie it in the center with some twine, and then clip on the white pumpkin in the center. I prefer the black and white place setting. Let me know which was your favorite. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until my next one, bye bye and God bless.